messy beard, stray hairs, or maybe nose hair? Yeah, not a good look. Meet the Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro, an all-in-one tool to trim your beard, body and even nose hair. But is it really good? Let's find out in today's episode of Tech Tip or Total Skip. Alright, let's see if this trimmer is worth your money. Hey there, it's me, Martijn. Let's get started. Here's what you get. There are 5 attachments: beard trimmer, detail trimmer, body groomer, foil shaver and a nose trimmer. A total of 40 length settings from 0.5mm to 20mm. Shelf sharpening stainless steel blades so it doesn't go dull after 2 trims. It's fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating. Use it in the wet, the dry or even in the shower. Lastly, a 90-minute battery life. And yes, it has a Type-C port because we live in 2025 and we don't do outdated cables anymore like my previous one over here. Set your length, pop on the right head and let's get grooming. Alright, that feels smooth, no irritations and it's just clean. Definitely a pass. Look, nobody wants to talk about it, but we've all got it. Nose hair. Let's give this one a try right now. There we go. Alright, weird, but it works. Not sure if you would have liked to see this, but hey, it's a test and it's a pass. I'm pretty lucky because my wife cuts my hair and I'm so thankful for that. But I'm also very thankful for the new device because it's pulling less hairs than the older generation. With those thick hairs that I still have left, it's going through it quite smoothly. So for me, definitely a pass. So here's what I love. First of all, it's super versatile. Does have a great battery life. 90 minutes is not overstated by Xiaomi, it's actually achievable. And lastly, it's waterproof and therefore super easy to clean. The only downside is that it's charged via a cable. There's no docking station or whatsoever, but that doesn't mean that it's a tech skip. It's actually a tech tip. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you think of this device and which device you'd like to see in the next episode for Tech Tip or Total Skip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.